Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy S&P 500 on Vanguard. First, you'll need to open a Vanguard brokerage account or log in if you already have one. Next, determine how much you want to invest and understand your personal risk tolerance. Finally, fund your account using a bank transfer, which is a common and straightforward method to get started with your investment journey. Once your account is ready, navigate to Vanguard's platform to search for S&P 500 index funds, or ETFs. It's wise to prioritize funds with very low expense ratios, often below 0.10%, to maximize your returns over time. Popular choices include the VOO Exchange Traded Fund or the VFIX Mutual Fund, both designed to track the S&P 500 index effectively. Now it's time to place your order. Select the S&P 500 fund you've chosen and input the specific dollar amount you wish to invest. You'll typically have the option between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price. Always review all transaction details thoroughly before confirming your purchase. After your purchase, it's important to regularly monitor your S&P 500 investment's performance. For long-term growth, consider employing dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount consistently over time, regardless of market fluctuations. Periodically rebalancing your portfolio helps ensure it aligns with your initial asset allocation goals and risk tolerance, keeping your strategy on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.